when we're talking about how to gain traction, whether it's at a local level and international level, um, I have a lot of deep rooted experience in working with organically built communities at those different stages and levels. And that's really where my expertise is. It doesn't rely on, having one video pop and then having this fake audience from this one thing. Although we've done that and had videos with 4 and 5 million views, and virality is cool. But what I'm really into are tactical authenticity and your ability to use social media to upscale your life and to be able to outclass the competition when it comes to actual tactical usable information, not pie in the sky like 500 company CEOs and TED Talks telling you all this stuff that then doesn't translate to the niche of being a hairstylist, but instead saying, I understand the stylist community. I know how your community is built. I know who you. There are a couple things that are tangible, that are real, that you could do today, actual today. You could end this. You could do these things, and they will make a huge difference. And the first one that you have to get over in that is understanding Facebook's place in your life compared to other social medias. Number one, it doesn't really matter what social media you enjoy using in your personal life. We're not talking 100% about your personal life. Some of it is, but what we're talking about is your business life. We're talking about how you eat. We're talking about how you make money to live and survive and make your career exist. And when we're talking about that, Instagram's great, but if you use extensions in on a client and use hair extensions, that's going to get all over the globe. And some dude from Sweden is going to like that post. But if you don't live in Sweden, they're never going to buy hair from you. They're never going to get serviced by you. So their like may make you feel good, but you're fishing in too big of a pond to ever capitalize and turn that into money. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, they all have their place for stylists. I'm not saying that you can't eventually use them, but Facebook's power lies in the fact that it is the current version of the peer-to-peer network. You can follow anyone on Instagram. However, on Facebook, no one's really going to accept you unless you have a friend in common. So, by building your friend network, making sure that your network of friends is authentic to your brick and mortar location, and then those friend of a friend outreaches means that you're only one, maybe two, maybe 3 degrees of separation from knowing someone in person, but they all live within a community that can participate. And lucky for hairstylists, literally close to 100 of the people in your city use your service. You now just need them to use you. Everyone gets their hair done. And me, unfortunately, everyone gets their hair done.